Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to download and install Google Gemini as a Google's flagship AI assistant. Gemini is deeply integrated with Android operating system and Google service. It is a versatile tool for answering questions, generating images, or having voice conversation with Gemini Live. It works seamlessly with other Google apps like Gmail and Drive. So how to download this is often pre-installed on new Android devices or available in the Google Play Store. iOS, search for Google Gemini in the app and tap Get. To install this app, go to Play Store, then select App and search Google Gemini. Select on it. This is Google Gemini. Google LLC, 4.6 star, 37 million reviews, 1 billion plus download. Select install. The app is installed. Then select open. Let's get started. Your personal AI assistant can help you write, plan, learn, create, and get more done. Watch 5 must know for generative AI. Gemini helps you take action. Gemini can work over a locked screen. Gemini can work with other service. Your data can improve Google AI. No, thank you. Or use Gemini. So select use Gemini. Bear in mind, humans review some saved chat to improve Google AI. Stop this for future chat in Gemini app activity. If this setting is on, don't enter info that you wouldn't want review or use. Going to close this. Let's jump in. Vinay, ask Gemini a question. You can use voice. You want to give a prompt. If you want to upload image, select plus. Then they give you option for you to create image or edit, make music, audio track, canvas, code, write, or make slide, deep research, get details report. You have camera, files, drive, and note. Give a prompt. I want us to type, please give us 4 side hustles to make money online. Then you select submit. So Gemini is generating the answer. Here are 4 legitimate, highly relevant side hustles you can start online. Rather than focusing on low paying, click work, or spammy schemes, these are based on leveraging actual skills or creating scalable assets. Number 1, create and selling digital products. Instead of trading your time directly for money, you create a digital asset once and sell it infinity. Because there is no physical inventory or shipping cost, the profit margin are incredibly high. And also, it will give you the link where this information is from, Printful, for example. Then if you scroll up, also give you more points. What you can sell: Notion templates, Excel budget trackers, digital planners, Lightroom photo presets, or educational ebook/checklist. The second point, how it works. You identify a specific problem people have. Example, I need a better template to track my small business expense. You build the solution on a free tools like Canva or Notion, then list it for sales. Show you the link indeed. Where to host this: Etsy, Gumroad, or Stan Store. Myself, I have a Stan Store, or your own website. I also have website. Then the second option is freelance creator service. With the explosion of short form video, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Businesses are desperate for content, but many business owners don't have the time or skills to edit video or write scripts. What you can do: video editing, cutting raw footage into snappy, captioned reels, content repurposing, turning a company's long YouTube videos or podcasts into 5 short clips, or copywriting, writing marketing emails or blogging posts. How it works: you don't need a massive social media following yourself. You just need to be able to edit or write for them. Then, where to find clients: Upwork, Fiverr, or by reaching out directly to creators or local businesses on Instagram and LinkedIn. The third idea he gave: virtual assistants, VA. If you are highly organized and good at managing admin tasks, you can work remotely as an assistant for online entrepreneurs, executives, or small businesses. It will show you a small link where you get this information: money.co.uk, for example. What you can do: managing email inboxes, scheduling meetings, uploading blog posts, filtering customer service inquiries, or basic data entry. Source: money.co.uk. How it works: clients usually hire virtual assistants for a set number of hours per week or month. Example: 10 hours a week at a start, hourly rate, making it a highly predictable income stream. Where to find clients: platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or specialized VA agencies like Belly or Time, etc. Link from Wise. The fourth he gave is remote tutoring or niche consulting. If you have specialized skill, a background in a specific or corporate experience, people will pay to learn directly from you via video call. What you can do: academic tutoring, maths, science, or exam prep, language teaching, or niche career consulting like resume reviews or tech interview preps, or teach interview preps. How it works: you set up your hourly rate, block out your available evening or weekends hour, and conduct sessions via Zoom or Google Meet. The link is printful. Then, where to host: Wizant, Preplay for languages, TopMate for professional consulting. A quick reality check: beware of any online side hustle that promises thousands of dollars overnight with zero effort. True online income require either time, freelancing, assisting, or skill upfront. Designing digital products. To help you narrow this down, show me how to start with zero experience. You can ask this further, or help me choose based on my skills, or you can type further information. And also, Gemini is AI, can make mistake, including about people. So this is a good example prompt or how to use Google Gemini. If you also go on top and select these 2 dots, it give you new chat, search charts. You can go to search charts. Then it give you information, past chat, and also previous chat I have used before. So it will show you today. You can select on it and it will show you the information, search chart, images, or library. So these are the information I thought to share with you, how to use and install Gemini on your phone. And also, you have different level. So you have 3.1 flashlight, faster answer, 3.5 flash, all-round help, and also 3.1 pro, advanced math and code or think level. If you want to delete the conversation, then you select delete. You can also select help or rename. If you want to uninstall the app, then you go on your phone, select on it, pinch on the app on your phone screen, then give you option for you to select add to home, uninstall, or widget. If you select uninstall, then it's Gemini. Do you want to uninstall this app? Then you select OK to uninstall the app. If you select OK, the app will be removed from the phone. So if you keep an eye, uninstall Gemini, the app will be uninstalled. Here we go. Thank you.